Hi, my class. I am Bitu Kumar. This is EVS class. In this class, we read this chapter, Reaching Grandmother's House. Let's we start. After our long train journey, we reached Kottayam in the night. Wali Ahmad's house was not far from the station, and we had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. By then I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma awoke me up again. We got ready, took our luggage, and went to the bus stand. Wali Amma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. The bus conductor came and Appa bought tickets for all of us. We managed to get seats. As it went along, the bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. We also had to share our seats. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. My legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. I thought that we had finally reached Amaj village. But no, our travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped us by the waterside. Look, Amma pointed across the water. That is where we have to go. But how will we get there? I wondered. Just then I saw a boat coming. There is the ferry. Amma said. Immediately a big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from our side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon the ferry was full. It started off again. I managed to get a place to stand along the railing. I saw the rippling of the still water as the ferry moved. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the bank of the river. As we moved swiftly, I could see people fishing, washing, bathing along the bank, and walking. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was time for us to get off. At last, we reached Amma's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. A railway timetable gives detail about the route of every train, the station along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station, the distance covered, etc. We can buy a railway timetable from the railway station. Thank you.